All right, agency leader, this is the first of 5 videos in our series in the ultimate guide to white label digital marketing. To start off, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to identify what is white label digital marketing and why your agency needs it. White label digital marketing is when your agency utilizes another agency like Conduit to fulfill digital marketing services. This could be an extension of digital marketing services you already provide, or it could be you're looking to just bring the whole suite in and have another agency fulfill for you. The reason you might need a white label partner is because you're very specialized in a certain area and you're looking to extend your suite of services through digital, and you want someone who's an expert to fulfill those for you. You could have an influx of clients coming in, and we all know how hard it is to hire expertise right now, so you could be looking for a partner that you trust to handle overflow. There's a variety of reasons why you might be looking to extend your suite of services, and white label is a great way to do that. In the following videos, we're going to take a look at what makes a great white label digital marketing partner for your agency.
Conduit Digital, helping successful agencies scale.